back to CYhair channel. And as in the last video, we already discussed about the four main types of wig. So today CYhair will help you to learn more about the closure wig and frontal wig, and we go and just break down the differences between closure wig and frontal wig. Then you can choose the right one to suit your needs. So let's get started in this video today. Okay, so the first one that we're going to focus on, this is closure wigs, and which is the most popular wigs in CYhair thanks to it's popular and it's affordable. It's made from hair bundle, like made from outer double machine web like this, and this wig is from 3 bundles and with a closure 4x4. And our lace is transparent lace, and we also have 2 colors for the lace, which is dark color lace and light color lace. And CYhair just want to make sure that we will have many options for you to choose to suit your skin tone and also to suit your budget. And our lace is very carefully rotating and rosettes, so the hair will not fall down when you making a wig. I will show you inside the wig how it looks like. As you can see, it's made from this closure 4x4, and the bundle will make along with the wig cap like this. And the hair texture is amazing. It's shiny and silky. This one is a free part. With the free part closure, you can place in any direction. You can restyle it as the way you want. Okay, now we will move to the next one, which is frontal wigs. This is our frontal wig. It's kind of similar with closure wig, but instead of having a small lace, it will have a larger lace piece like this. It will have a larger lace that can cover the entire hairline of your head, cover from your ear to ear, and provide you with a natural looking hairline. Frontal people usually buy free part so that they can customize the way you want. Like they can place in any direction, or they can customize the baby hair in the frontal. And to make wigs, CYhair recommend you that you should buy bundles and also our closure, because the closure will not fall down when you have the right technique to make the closure. Because we have a customer that just buy hair bundle and she will make the closure by herself, but if you don't have the professional to do that, the hair will be very easily tangled and fall down from the closure, and it can be used for a long time. Okay, so I will break down the differences between the 2 types of wig. I will put them together like this to see the difference. So with the 2 types of wig like this, which one you should choose? I think that it depends on your budget and your needs. For example, like if you have kind of tight budget and you want some wigs that affordable and it's easy to resell, that we recommend you to buy closure wigs, because the lace is smaller, so it don't need too much work like closure, like frontal. Because frontal, we will need more hair and more work to complete a frontal like this, so the price will be a little bit higher than closure. So for anyone who wants to resell and want to make more profits in your business, we recommend you to buy this one. However, if your customer is in a luxury rate, they just want the luxury products, you can choose frontal wigs because it's more flexible to restyle and it look more natural when you make a wig and wear it. Yes, and the next part we will talk about the technique and I will show you inside the wig how it looks. As you can see, it's a frontal wig and we also have the tie band. The tie band to keep the hair on your head. It will not fall down when you wear it. I will show you the inside of the wigs. Frontal wigs. And our wigs is made from professional wig maker, so it won't face any problem of tanglings or setting, because many customers told me that they usually buy wigs and it's very tangled at the nape of the wigs. But as you can see, our wigs, the hair at the nape very silky and not tangled at all. And also the colors of this wig, you can see this one is ombre blonde and the color is blend so well. It looks very natural from brown to blonde. The color is blend by professional. Even though that our wigs is amazing, but CYhair is hair factory and we mainly sell hair material. So if you buy hair bundles and closure or frontal, we can offer you more discount rather than buying wigs. For example, there are some hot color from CYhair. The hair bundles is super silky and smooth. This one is luxury ray from CYhair, so there's no short hair inside the bundle. The ratio of same length hair is up to 80%, so you can see from the top to the tip of the bundle, it's nearly half from with the same length. Very silky. So I hope that after this video we will have more information about our hair bundles and also our wigs. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to CYhair channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.